Kinabalu, Sabah. So as you've seen the video from yesterday, I made a couple of repairs, especially in the front suspension. Today we're just going to test this out, and this is in line for the preparation for our adventure in February 2025. So we just want to make sure that this car is fit for long distance journey, and of course doing a lot of minor repairs here and there. So yeah, so today we're heading to Tuaran, meeting my father. He lives around there. So Tuaran is just a town right outside of Kota Kinabalu. It's about 70 kilometers roughly. But as you can see, the roads in Sabah are not great, and there's a lot of congestion at some places. But yeah, so just today, it's just this one, nothing much.
Then at the roundabout, take the first exit on 1 Jalan Tuaran.
This is one straight.
Yes. Go straight.
So yesterday we replaced the suspension bush, the front and lower arm, the thyroid, and ball joint. Seems it drives better now. Actually, it's more tighter compared to about 2 weeks ago when I was driving this to Manumbu, a small coastal town. You can check the video that I posted a few days ago. The steering feels more responsive now, as you can see. Yeah, it's much more tighter. The other day it was like you have to, it was a big play basically. I think that can also be adjusted in the steering box. I've seen a YouTube video and people talking about it to make your steering feels much better and tighter. But this is already a great improvement compared to about 2 weeks ago, since when I first got this vehicle. Yep, so I think it's just a matter of just make sure that everything works well. And it is actually feels much better to drive it right now. And of course, the roads, you can see the roads are pretty bad. That's why you hear all these noises coming in from this vehicle. But we're trying to fix and probably tighten up some of the things here. what do you call that? What bridge is this? What do you call Tamparu? The single, so that people have to give way. You can see that people are waiting on the other side. But so sometimes this gets flooded also.
Yeah, cannot pass.
So if it's
A lot of debris.
as long as it's not too deep, I think it's fine. There's a tamu, which is a market basically, a local market. Just have a look and see how is it like inside. They have a cool LED display. This is the bridge just now that we broke. Do a bit of refueling. Almost running out. So what we'll do is we're just gonna tap right away. So if you notice the price of diesel in Sabah and Sarawak, it's still subsidized. It's 2 ringgit and 15 cents per liter. Compared to in Peninsular Malaysia, it's 3 ringgit something. Hold on.
290.
Sorry?
290.
290 is it? Okay. It's 290 in Peninsular Malaysia. So we just left Tamparawi, went to see the Tamu, and we are now heading to one of Kota Kinabalu's local attractions called Kokol Hill. So this is supposed to be on top of the hill. I don't know, it's somewhere there. So we're just relying on our ways right now. There's a bit of rain at the moment. As you know, this is
500.
towards the end of the year. And let's see where does this take us.
Left. Yes, left. This one. Go up. Yep, go up.
Oh, this one.
Kokol Heaven.
Ah, okay. So this is the Kokol Heaven. Right, let's see how it goes.
Oh. Yeah, it's a good exam for your car.
Yeah, just gonna try this. So it's quite steep. The roads is quite small and windy. So it'll be interesting. I've heard of this Kokol Hill many times on the internet, some photos of it. So this is the first time we're just gonna explore and have a look at this place.
And then just straight we are there. Entry camp.
What is it? Kokol Heaven.
Tool camp. So long.
It's like it's nice. So you can see this windy hill and rain cloud. Kinabalu. Go. Well, that was a bit disappointing. It can be improved. It can be improved. So after changing the suspension push, because as I said earlier, the ride is much better. The way it responds, the steering wheel response improves tremendously. So as you can see from going this downhill as well, it's quite nice. The response, very responsive. Much better than the first time I went to Miri. When I was in Miri, when I just took the car. It helps a lot. It helps a lot. So if you have a Pajero as well, if you feel the responsiveness of the steering wheel, it's no longer nice. So you know it's time to replace all the bushing and all the suspension system, all the different parts. It's worth the investment for sure. Going for a car wash. So this looks like an automated car wash. I see the price list there. 10 ringgit for a small car, 15 for a big car, 10 for vacuum. Okay. So before I'll have all this information to the country. Mana ni boleh kau pakai nanti? Dah bulu kucing.
Rally art.
Okay lah, okay. Sama? Aku jadi besar. Sampai. So apparently you don't have to remove the dashboard lah. For this, you just have to. You can actually pull it out right away. Hopefully it works lah. Officiated by Alna. Sama. Warna putih ni kan? Besar. 11 ya. Oh, gitu sih ya. I didn't know it's that simple, man. If I know, I would have done it myself. Wow, nice. So this is it for the trip this time. The end of the year, December. My next trip here will be in January, so there won't be any much more coverage or anything to talk about after this. Yeah, so we'll see you in January. Some progress of the restoration, some of the improvement and parts replacement as we build this car to its original condition. Alright, thank you. Now I'm sitting at the back. It's always nice seated at the back. It's very comfortable, as you know, on the Mitsubishi Pajero. So Almer is sending us to the airport, and we'll be heading back to Kuala Lumpur. So once again, thank you for watching the video, and please follow this journey of restoring this Pajero 1993 V46 JDM model. So we'll see you again in the next video. And if you have any comments or anything you want to ask about the whole process, please let me know. I'll try to answer you as much as possible. Thank you, man.